welcome back to my channel. It's West African Queen, and today's just a short get ready with me video for brunch. So basically my dumb ass kind of burned myself. This is like my second time using a hot comb, so do not judge, but I laid this hair the night before so it would just be easier to work with. I used this hairspray actually that I'm going to show called Bedhead. It works just like Got To Be in them. I actually like it better than Got To Be because it doesn't, have all that issues that Got To Be sprayed has. But I'm just gonna fix up my hair and then we're gonna get into the makeup. Now I'm just gonna pin my hair back out of my face so we can get started with the makeup. Do y'all see my skin? Let me tell you something. My skin did break out recently, but my skincare routine has been saving my life, yo. But look into it. Let's get into it. So I'm gonna go in with Milk of Magnesia. This is my second time using it and I actually really like it a lot. I do have oily skin and I don't know, for some reason it makes my makeup flawless when I'm done doing it. Y'all gonna see at the end. So I'm going to go in with a light concealer just so that whatever eyeshadow I use just pops on my skin. You can use any light concealer and then you're just gonna blend it out. I actually went ahead and used a translucent powder just to set it. I do have sensitive eyes, so sometimes like my eyeshadow messes up because I start tearing up, but this method helps reduce like my eyeshadow from messing up. So I just went in with the top 3 eyeshadow palettes from the top right. Sorry I didn't show long enough, but I start with the darkest one and then I make it lighter as I get closer to my eyebrows. So I use this ABH eye primer just to cut crease. Just something simple, honestly. I don't know how to explain how you can cut your crease. I had to learn this by myself, so you can do it too. Then to top off my cut crease, I went in with the eyeshadow that's below the white one, which was like a creamy one. Then I went back to the first palette and I just buffed out the end. I didn't really want to mess up the cut crease at the end, so I just blended it in so then it just look a little nice. So for my face, I went in with actually two concealers, the one from Born This Way, another one from NARS. The way I love this foundation, yo, it matches my skin so well. Then I went ahead to use my contour stick and contour my face. I probably should have blended out my contour better, but you know what, we move. I was in a bit of a rush. So I go in with my honey, translucent honey, whatever you call it, setting powder from Laura Mercier, and I just set underneath my eyes and then my cheekbones, underneath my contour, I mean, not my cheekbones. So I go in with two sprays. First is the all-nighter spray from Urban Decay, and then the next is the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. I love the Luminous Setting Spray. I don't know what it is about it, but it allows your makeup to stay on all day. And then I just highlight and we keep it pushing. This is the final look. Please let me know down in the comments below how snatched I look, because I did that. I really did that. I should have not went there, but I went there. I did. I really did. And I'm going to show y'all the outfit next. So I was in a bit of a rush. Excuse the background, excuse the messy room, but I just wanted to show y'all the fit. I'm gonna show y'all pictures of what I took by myself, but this is what it looked like, and I paired it with just some clear shoes.